Hi everybody, welcome to the new quarter. And this quarter for me right now is spring quarter. This is for level 30 online. And I'm going to show you a little bit about Canvas, our Canvas class, and that is how we will study this quarter. So if you log on to Canvas, you will see this information first thing. This is all college information. You can read it if you want. But the important thing here is if you go to your dashboard, you will see all your classes. Each of these cards is a class. So find our class. This is our class for this quarter. It says ELA 30, and there's the number 15613, Spring 21, Level 3. So you're going to click on that, and you will see the home page. Now, every day I want you to do 3 things. All right, first of all, you're going to read the announcement. I will post one announcement every day. Do you see this little blue dot here? That means it's a new message and you have not read it yet. So please click on the day's announcement. There will always be a date. So for example, on Monday, April 5th, you'll click on there. There will be a message here to read. Okay, when you are finished reading the message, you can go back to the home page on your Canvas homepage. Okay, so you can either go click here, click home, or you can click on the back button to go back. So let's click on home here. This is a navigation bar or nav bar. This is for our class. This navigation bar, you will always have this no matter which class you are in. These will always stay the same. These ones will change every class that you take, okay? So you have read the announcement for day. Now you're going to go into the coursework, and these are the modules, okay? So you're going to look for the week 1 coursework module. Look for the dates for that week, and you're going to look for the date for the day, okay? Every week will be goals listed for the week. What will we learn? So you can read through the goals and then find the date for the day. So the first day of class, you're going to click on that title there. Make sure the date is the date you're looking for, Monday, April 5th. So every day, read the announcement, look for the day's module, and then do the coursework for the day. Okay, and that coursework or classwork will take you about 2 hours, and it's very important to help you practice. So here's the coursework, okay? So for example, read my welcome letter. These are the links. So you're going to click every time you see a blue link with an underline, you can click on there. Okay, so here's the instructions for what to do. Read my welcome letter here. Please read. There are videos for you to watch if you need help with Canvas. So click to open. So you're going to click on there. You can read my spring letter. Okay, if you want to go back, just again, click on that back arrow on the top left. And here is number 2 thing to do for today. Watch the video about our level 30 online class. There will be a quiz about the video, so listen carefully. So you're going to click on that link to watch the video. Number 3 thing to do today is to take the practice quiz. Do you guys know what a quiz is? It's a small little test. But in Canvas, a practice quiz means it's basically just practice. I will not grade this quiz. It's not so important, the score that you get. It's just to help you learn and to help you practice and remember, okay? So there will be a little quiz about this video that you're listening to now. There's also going to be a video about me to watch on this first day, okay? And then here's some information about the Zoom class tonight. For the first Zoom class, you guys, we will meet at 6 p.m. This time might change, so I will give you more information later. And then here is a class syllabus, more information about our class, which will be important. And the number 3 thing I want you to do every single day is to do the attendance assignment. This is like your homework. It will take you about 2 hours. And you will always find it at the bottom of the coursework. So if you go, so this is the coursework here, remember, if you go to the bottom here, number 6 as assignment for today, you can read a little bit here or just click on here. And here are the directions or the instructions on what to do. Okay, so make sure you read the details, read the directions very carefully about how to do your assignment here. For today, there's part A and part B. And to start, you're just going to click Start Entry. Okay, follow the directions, and you can type in this text entry box, and then it's very important to save. You see the bottom right, click there to save, and then don't forget to submit. Very important. Yay, I finished my assignment, and now the assignment will come to me. So you are finished your assignment. Go back to home, and there you'll see the home page again. If you want to check again, week 1, day 1, you can check all your coursework and then your assignment. Good. A couple more things I want to show you on this left-hand navigation bar or nav bar. Okay, so here's announcements. Here's the Zoom meetings. So every day that we have a Zoom meeting, so our first one, like I said, will be at 6 p.m. You're going to click here, and that will take you to the Zoom meeting. You're going to click there, open a new tab, and you're going to go to the Zoom meeting at 6 p.m. You're going to do this every time we have a Zoom meeting. Here's a discussions item, grades if you want to check your grades. So here's all the assignments that are listed, and you can check the assignment there if you want. And here's your score, the points that you will get. Every time you finish an attendance assignment, you will get 10 points automatically, okay? Here's syllabus if you want more detailed information about our class. And those are the very important things. Here's the calendar too, if you want to check dates, important dates in our class. Okay, our first class will start the 5th of April, April 5th, spring quarter begins. There's going to be a Zoom meeting. Click on this arrow here at the top to go to the next month, May, and then June. Our last class will be June 18th. That is the end of spring quarter. Okay, actually our last class will probably be here this week, but the end of spring quarter is here on June 18th. If you want to send me a message, you can go here. Oh, it doesn't show it. So just write me an email here with this inbox here. And I think that's all I want to show you for now. Thank you, everybody.